ఒక కిక్ ఉంది. ఈ ఇంటి పేరు చెప్తే హైదరాబాద్ సికింద్రాబాద్ గడగడలాడిపోతుంది. ఈ ఇంటి పేరు చెప్తే సికింద్రాబాద్ లో 5 ప్రెసిడెంట్స్ పుడతారు. ఆ ఇంటి పేరులో ఒక పంచ్ ఉంది, పవర్ ఉంది, అన్నిటికంటే ముఖ్యం డబ్బు ఉంది. మే ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ ది ఫాస్టెస్ట్ president of JCI Secunderabad in terms of his actions. President of 2010, JCI Senator Nagesh, Sri Nagesh Burugu. Welcome onto the stage, Nagesh. Please. Want some water? I need some water. Okay. So Nagesh.
Yeah.
We are missing your landmark sandals today. Where have you kept them?
Inside the cupboard.
Wonderful. And sir, when we say Nagesh and from the year of inception as a member in JCI Secunderabad, I remember you as conducting the fastest CGB of JCI Secunderabad ever. How do you feel about that?
The new club.
Yes.
It's very nice because now you remember and you asked me again.
Yes, that's your brand image. And I think he needs some homely company here beside him in the couch. May I now request another powerful gentleman, a cool, calm and a silent president, but a very energetic and talkative immediate past president of JCI Secunderabad, president of 2013, JC Nagasridhar Burugu. Yeah, Sridhar. So, first question is really strange, but I think we need an answer. Who was the president among you two in 2013?
I couldn't get you.
In 2013, among you two, who was the president?
I was obviously.
Thank you so much. What is it being an IPP? How easy it is being an IPP than the president?
IPP, it's always said like giving advice is more easy than following
So
them.
that's why generally IPPs are more confident than the presidents?
Yeah, by the experience you gain from the president, you definitely gain the confidence.
Now, I think the question which everybody is waiting for. Nagesh, so you've received the prestigious Kamal Patra Award for 2013. How proud do you feel about that?
I'm very happy to receive that award.
Thank you so much. And Sridhar, now to you, the question. What are the two biggest challenges you faced in 2013? You know, probably one in the beginning of your term, one towards the end.
Like gaining the confidence of the members and getting them together was one of the biggest challenge.
Okay.
And definitely at the time of the completion of my year, while giving the Kamal Patra Award, that was a major challenge.
Thanks. I thought both have my names. Thank you so much, Sridhar. And Nagesh Garu, we have known you as a very gutsy president, taking bold decisions, and also as a member, you can take anybody on. Why is it so?
It's just my attitude from my childhood.
So what brings you that attitude, and what is the message you want
It's
to
a
give
joint
to the members?
family. We used to have masti in the house, so that made me bold.
Oh, that made you bold, and unfortunately, I've never been in a joint family.
Our joint family was 70 members.
I thought that is not called a joint family, that's called a chowdhury. Thank you. So, yes, yeah, Sridhar, who is your high command?
In
Who is your high command in life?
me myself,
Sure?
yeah, why not?
Can you switch off the mic and answer?
Me myself,
Okay. No, I'm saying if you want to give a different answer, you can always switch it off and tell.
the answer is same.
Okay, very good. So, Nagesh, again, why were you not interested in climbing up the training ladder?
I just became a little busy with my business
Okay. So,
and little inactive after you become the president. So once your president is done, you feel little relaxed.
so that's why, you know, generally,
So
by
I
presidents and
advise
ICPs
everybody
are
to
more
do it
confident.
before they become the president.
Okay. Sridhar, ZVP was never in your mind, but how and when did this ambition strike you?
Well, actually, when my presidential tenure was coming to the fag end, everybody was telling like, yeah, your year is coming to an end. Now you'll be called an IPP. Then suddenly stuck to me like, Hey, how come the year is going to be end? So I just thought of becoming a ZVP so that
So you thought you have one more year and you can go ahead in JCs. Wonderful. So I think it's time for us to have some really rapid fire, and with Nagesh on the couch, you will really have it really rapid and you'll really have a fire in it. And
You give that before or after?
with Nagesh on the couch, I think you can give it before too. But unfortunately, the rule says you have to give it after both the rounds. So let me fire this up to Nagesh, and let's see how he fires it back to me. Nagesh, if you wake up in the morning and see Rakhi Sawant in front of you, what would you say to her?
Bye.
Put them in your order of preference. Put these three words in the order of your preference: love, power, money.
Same. Love, power, and money.
Money comes last?
Yeah.
Very good. Nice to hear. What is the best compliment you have ever received till date by a woman except Sarika Burgu?
Congratulations.
Oh, that's a compliment? That's an appreciation.
Getting calls, phone calls.
What time?
I was doing my intermediate.
Okay. If not Nagesh, who would you want to be? Aishwarya Rai, N.D. Tiwari, Hrithik Roshan, Randeep Hooda, or Vidya Balan?
Hrithik Roshan.
Tell one word which comes to your mind when you hear these. Kamal Patra,
Success.
Sunil Kumar Rumalla,
Leader. Trainer.
money,
Tension.
Burgu,
Happiness.
Sarika.
Extreme happiness.
Wonderful. I think that's the end of your rapid fire, and it was really fire. And now to Sridhar. It's a very interesting question, Sridhar. I had to think about it for 1 month to frame a question for you. If you were a Lux soap, who do you want your brand ambassador and rub it on their body? Sonakshi Sinha, Alia Bhatt, Shah Rukh Khan, Mithun Chakravarti.
Sonakshi Sinha.
Which job was much easier? Treasurer, President, or ZVP?
President.
Put these days in order of preference. Valentine's Day, Hug Day, Kiss Day, Children's Day, and Friendship Day. Okay. Valentine's Day, Hug Day, Kiss Day, Children's Day, and Friendship Day.
First Kiss Day, Hug Day, Valentine's Day, Children's Day, and Friendship Day.
Yeah, I think it has to come in this order. After Hug, Kiss, and Valentine's, it has to be a Children's Day, and finally Friendship Day. If you had to do an item song for each of these actresses, which song would you prefer? Silk Smita,
Bawala Sayya.
Disco Shanti,
Sheila Ki Jawan.
Charmi,
Kevo Keka.
Sunny Leon.
Sunil. Must be a very lusty one, not able to get it.
Must be, yeah, but song has to be there.
Yeah, Sheila Ki Jawan again.
Okay, again with Sunny Leon too?
Yes.
Okay, wonderful. So if you had to play a role in Dirty Picture, whose role would you prefer? Nasiruddin Shah or Imran Hashmi?
Imran Hashmi.
Did you see the movie?
Yes, but I don't think Imran Hashmi was there.
He was there.
He was.
So that's the end of the rapid fire JCs and JC Reds. I think this one had a really witty answers, and as usual, you will definitely expect fire from Sri Nagesh Burgu, and that's what it came out. And thank you for being here with us, Nagesh, and you deserve this coffee hamper from me. Thank you so much, sir. And may I request our president